this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is the Ophelia by Envy. This is an Envy hair wig, and the color on this is Cinnamon Raisin. This wig is a little tight on me, so I'm going to try to make this video brief because I suspect this wig will probably give me a headache. So I would say this wig fits probably on the petite average side of things. Though, in spite of the fact that it doesn't fit me very well, it still looks like a cute pixie. So it's got that going for it. It's got beautiful layering, and the hair fiber feels great. This is 30% human hair and 70% heat-friendly synthetic. There is some built-in volume here at the top. The layering is really nice. And this is a heat stylable wig, so if you don't like the way it flips and flares out, you can very easily flat iron this. So beautiful. Funky little cut. I love the fringe in the front. This is a great length for the bangs here. And they're not too thick either. They're kind of wispy. That's really pretty. I like this one. It fits me tight though, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. Ooh. Sometimes it feels good to just go afterwards. Especially after a long day of reviews and after all that monofilament. Oh. So anyway, we have open wefts on the top, felt, fuzzy felt on the front hairline. We've got open tracks here on the sides, and in the back we have an extended nape with Velcro adjusters, and then we've also got open ear tabs here. There's quite a bit of permatease in the top, particularly at the crown, so it gives it some nice depth here to the layering, but also some natural lift. So there you go. This is Ophelia by Envy. And I'm Heather. I'm from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com, where you can find Ophelia and lots of other Envy products. So check it out sometime. And until next time, have a great night, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.